Hello everyone! Another great way for students and teachers to share information and even share links to outside resources in Minecraft Education Edition is to use NPCs or non-player characters. Non-player characters or NPCs can be spawned in the world and then students and educators can interact with them. Let me show you how. So first, we're going to get an NPC into our personal inventory. So I'm going to access the full inventory by clicking E on my keyboard, and I'm going to type in the search bar NPC. And I'm going to select this rainbow egg and add it to my hotbar or my personal inventory. We can now escape or exit out of the full inventory. Now, I'm going to try to place the NPC. So let's go by one of the slates here. I want the NPC to share more information with my teacher about this particular build. So I'm going to try to place the NPC. So I'll simply press 1 to select the NPC, and I will right click to try to place. Wait a minute, it's not placing. Why do you think it won't let me place the NPC? Well, in Minecraft Education Edition, in order to place an NPC and edit an NPC, you have to be in World Builder mode. To access World Builder mode, I'm going to simply click on the slash and I'm going to type WB. Notice that it says toggle world builder status. I'll simply press enter and world builder status has been updated to true. Now let's try to place by right clicking with my mouse. Now I can place that NPC because I have world builder privileges. Think of world builder privileges as the creation mode or the teacher mode where I can create and edit items like NPCs. To edit this NPC, I'm simply going to right click when I'm pointing at the NPC. Notice that I can change the NPC's name. So maybe I'll give it my name. Notice below I can change the look or the appearance of my NPC, and I can click on Edit Dialogue. So I can type what I want this NPC to say or to tell my teacher when my teacher right clicks to talk to my NPC. Once I've typed my dialogue, I can always press the X to return back to the main menu. Notice that I also have access to advanced settings. When I click on advanced settings, notice that I can add a URL. So I could actually add a live link to a document I've created, maybe in Google Docs or Google Slides or Microsoft Word Online or PowerPoint Online, or maybe to another website where I've created a digital product. I would simply click Add URL. I would enter the URL here, and then I could give the button a name. Let me add a link to a Google Doc that I'll be working on, and I'll enter a button name of my practice work. I'll simply press the back button or arrow up here in the top right corner, and I can simply close. My settings, my dialogue, everything will automatically save. Now keep in mind that while I have World Builder privileges, I won't be able to talk or interact with my NPC, because every time I right click on my NPC, it'll bring me back to the edit screen. So to exit out of World Builder privileges, I'm simply going to type slash on my keyboard, type WB, and hit enter. And that's going to update my status to false or turn off World Builder. Now, if I right click on the NPC, notice that I can see the dialogue. I even have access to Microsoft Immersive Reader to help me read and comprehend the dialogue that I've entered. And I have that button to my practice work that I've linked when I was editing my NPC.